Hey guys, what is going on? Today I will be explaining some updates that will never come to ERLC and some updates that may come to ERLC. So let's start with the updates that will never come to ERLC. So, first one is aeroplanes. This map is medium size, but it's small because a game called Greenville. It has hugely insane graphics and huge map, and they still can't handle aeroplanes. That's why I don't think they will ever even add aeroplanes in this game. And there's also a thing in the cities. I don't think they will change these buildings. They are never gonna change these buildings because I saw their Discord server and there was an insane bug within these types of buildings. And in Studio, when you log into Studio, this things it's I'm gonna tell you tomorrow because tomorrow is a Studio fact. That's why I get shot. My car destroyed. Okay, the next one is they will actually never add top tow truckers, like two tow truckers. They will actually never add that because it's gonna be a lot of laggy, and we can't be driving that because it's gonna be really insanely highly requested within the lag. And that's why it's what I mean. It's kind of different when you see my car as in this top thing. If there's another top, they need to make it bigger so they can add 4 cars, and it's gonna be so destroyed, and your thing is gonna be you cannot get the 8 cars. Sorry about that, I had some Spanish video turned on. Okay, the next one. Next one is things may come to ERLC. So the first one is there might be a bigger what do you call this, parking garage. There might be a bigger parking garage, and there might be a new shop right over here. Just remove the trees and put a new shop right over here. And let's go there. And you see this image, they're not actually real, they're actually images. They're images. If you turn it like this, you see this, they're actually images. They're images. I can't say that. Images. Okay, images. So it's kind of weird. So they may add new types, but not images. They may. I don't know about the images, and they may add a new new shop or something over here because this place is so empty. Alright, the next one is they may make the fire station bigger, remove the trees over here, and bring this over here and remove those, and make the fire station way bigger until it comes here. And they also may put a small parking spot right over here because other cars is gonna be kind of weird. And they may put the gun shop over here, and they're gonna put something new, what do you call it? I don't know how to spell it, but they're gonna put the gun shop here, and they're gonna get another building over there. I need to go to this team to explain. Okay, let's go to the gun shop. Alright, let's go over to the gun shop. Alright, here, right over here. They're gonna make this parking spot way bigger and put they're gonna put a like a small building, and this gun shop is gonna be right in front of the fire station. And also about the sheriff's station, sheriff department. By the sheriff department, they're gonna like not gonna give this, they're gonna put a small thing over here. And also same with the police department. Wait, let me just go to the police department. Okay, we're near the police department. So they're gonna remove this and put this here. No, like not like that. They're gonna put a small building and put a person behind and put this in front of them. Then they're like gonna be all stuffed. Let me show you in the gun shop something. Let me go to the gun shop first. Also, you can see the guns. They're like, you can see the hands. And later on the year 2020, you'll be able to see your hands and legs when you're not able in guns or anything or any tools. You just go in first person. You see your gun. You see your hands and legs. It's gonna be way realistic than the now. Kind of weird to say that, but let's go to the gas station and show you something. You better not come after me. Is he coming after me? Let's go to the Firm gas station. I'm gonna show you something. Let's go to the Firm's gas station, I'm gonna show you something. Alright, so when you like someone is using this, I'm clicking E. You can hear it. I'm clicking E, but I'm not able to. But now I click E, I'm able to use it. That's a tricky thing. But it's still realistic. Like, isn't it realistic? It's still realistic. Not gonna lie. Also, there's a thing gonna be in the gas station. I'm gonna show you it later. Cause let me just get this feel or whatever. And when you come here, there's gonna be stuff over here. There's gonna be a lot of boxes and stocks. There's also gonna be cars you can spawn. Now it actually doesn't work. Start job. Oh, it's kind of. But it would actually be nice if you could do that. You could roleplay as you robbed it. But yeah, that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed.